video, I'm going to be making a popular Nigerian dish that originated from the South, and it's called afan soup. So basically, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my water leaf. I'm using okazi. This is my stockfish. I'm going to be using some crayfish. I'm going to be using some dried catfish, my chopped onions. I have my seasoning here, some chopped cow skin, my salt to taste, my chopped pepper, and I would also be using some shelled periwinkles which I have already prepped, and I also have my palm oil which I am going to be using to make the soup. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the cooking process.
Coming your way. Simple meals, easy to make. Every dish is a taste you'll crave.